What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update error code 0x800f0835. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this error. The first thing you should do is go to your settings and type in troubleshoot settings until you see this page pop up, and then click on additional troubleshooters, and you're going to run the troubleshooter that says Windows Update, resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows. So you want to run this first and see if this fixes it for you. If this does not fix it for you, we're going to move on to the next step, which is basically going to your search bar again and type in services until you see this pop up. Once you have this open, just type in Windows or just W until you see the two signs over here that says Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service. Right click into both of them, click into properties, start them if they're not started, or if they are, press stop and then start them again, and change it from manual to automatic, and then basically press apply. Doing that should fix this issue for you, and you guys should be good to go. And the final thing you can do is type in CMD, right click into and run as administrator. In here, we're going to type the code, or command I should say, sfc/scan now, and let this basically process run. It's going to take some time. Let this run, restart your computer. You should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys love the video, please smash the thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Tutorials out. Peace.